Most people are about to get left behind. Not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, because they're still using AI like a toy, while a tiny group of people are using it like an army. I've spent the last couple years testing AI tools, building systems with them, automating work that used to take me entire weekends. And I've watched complete beginners go from broke and confused to making money online faster than people with real experience. And the crazy part, most people still have no idea what's happening. If you learn these next few habits, you will get ahead of 99% of people within the next 12 months. So let's dive in. Most people use AI like Google. That's the first mistake. They ask one tiny question, get one tiny answer, and leave. That's like hiring an entire construction crew just to ask where the bathroom is. The people getting ahead of 99% right now, they use AI like a team of employees. One AI writes, one researches, one brainstorms, one critiques the work. A few months ago, I needed to plan an entire YouTube channel strategy. Normally, that would have taken me maybe 2 to 3 days researching titles, studying thumbnails, writing scripts, planning hooks. Instead, I opened multiple chats. One AI acted as a thumbnail strategist, another acted like a YouTube retention expert, another rewrote my scripts for pacing. The entire process took under 4 hours. That's the shift. Pause. Here's the pro move most people skip. Give AI a role before giving it a task. Don't say, write me a script. Say, you're a YouTube strategist who specializes in viral retention-based storytelling inspired by channels with millions of views. Huge difference. The quality jumps instantly because context creates better output. And once you understand that, the next hack becomes unfair. Here's what nobody tells you. AI is not really about intelligence. It's about speed. The person who learns faster wins faster. The person who executes faster gets ahead of 99% of people. Simple. Think of AI like a teleportation device at an airport. Everyone else is standing in line holding their suitcase. You skip security and appear at the gate instantly. I used to spend hours writing emails, organizing ideas, replying to comments, summarizing videos, researching markets. Now, I dump everything into AI. Messy thoughts, screenshots, half-written ideas, doesn't matter. And within minutes, I've got structure. One time I had around 40 random notes sitting in my phone about content ideas. Total chaos. I pasted them into AI and asked it to organize them into content pillars, viral concepts, and monetization opportunities. 10 minutes later, I had a full content roadmap. That roadmap later helped generate thousands of views and multiple affiliate sales. Here's the 1% move. Use AI before you start working, not after. Most people use AI as a cleanup tool. Smart people use it as a thinking partner before the work even begins. That changes everything, because the next thing holding people back was information overload. We live in a world where everybody's consuming. Nobody's processing. People watch 400 productivity videos and still can't decide what to do on Monday morning. AI fixes that. Think about it like hiring a private travel guide in a city you've never visited. Instead of wandering around lost for 6 hours, someone grabs your shoulder and goes, "No, go here first." That's what AI can become. I tested this when learning short-form content strategy. Instead of watching endless videos, I uploaded transcripts from successful creators and asked AI, what patterns keep repeating? And suddenly, patterns appeared everywhere. Fast hooks, open loops, curiosity gaps every 10-15 seconds, pattern interrupts. I learned more in one night than weeks of random scrolling. That's the advantage. Most people consume information. AI helps you compress it. Now here's the advanced trick. Don't ask AI for answers. Ask it for frameworks. Huge difference. Bad prompt. How do I make money online? Better prompt. Give me 3 business models that match someone with low budget, high consistency, beginner editing skills, and 2 hours daily. Now the answer becomes tailored. That's how you stop drowning in generic advice. And speaking of generic, the next hack is where people completely miss the point. Everybody's scared AI will replace them. Wrong mindset. The real danger is becoming average, while AI makes everyone else faster. Because average work, dead. Basic editing, automated. Basic writing, automated. Basic research, automated. The people who survive are the ones who combine AI with personality, taste, storytelling, and execution. Think of AI like a guitar. Giving somebody a guitar doesn't make them a rock. It amplifies talent that already exists. I know creators making insane money right now using AI, but here's the funny part. Their real advantage isn't the tool. It's the way they think. One creator I know uses AI to generate 50 hook ideas every morning. 50. Then he manually picks the best three and rewrites them with his own style. That channel exploded in less than a year. Why? Because AI generated quantity, but the human added taste. That's the secret most people miss. The pro move? Use AI to remove friction, not identity. Don't become robotic just because the tool exists. Use it to amplify your edge. And if you really want to get ahead of 99% of people, this next one matters the most. Most people wait until they're experts before posting online. Massive mistake. AI lets beginners look organized way earlier than before. Not fake, organized. Think about it like training at the gym with a coach beside you. You still lift the weights, you still sweat, but your progress speeds up because someone's correcting your form. That's AI. When I first started experimenting with AI workflows, I documented everything. What prompts worked, what failed, what tools saved time. Some posts barely got views. Then one random post explaining a simple AI workflow started gaining traction. That single idea led to followers, opportunities, and people asking for help. Not because I was the smartest, because I shared the journey early. Here's the advanced move. Use AI to turn one idea into 10 pieces of content. One video becomes tweets, threads, shorts, Instagram captions, email ideas, LinkedIn posts. That's how small creators suddenly look everywhere online. And perception matters because the internet rewards visibility more than perfection. Now, the next hack, this is where money enters the picture. You know why most people never build anything meaningful? They burn out doing repetitive nonsense, copy pasting, formatting, scheduling, researching. Tiny tasks slowly destroy momentum. AI is basically caffeine for your workflow. Actually, stronger than caffeine. I once spent nearly 6 hours building outreach messages manually for freelance clients. 6 hours. Now, AI drafts personalized outreach based on the client's business, audience, and pain points in minutes. Not generic spam either. Actual customized messaging. That single workflow saved me dozens of hours every month, and time is leverage. The 1% move here. Every week, ask yourself, what task do I repeat constantly? Then try automating part of it, not all of it, just part. Even saving 30 minutes daily compounds massively over a year. Most people waste years because they never audit their own workflow. And that leads directly into the next unfair advantage. Most people randomly use AI whenever they remember. The top 1% build systems. Think of it like a custom operating system for your brain. You create saved prompts, workflows, templates, automation chains, research systems. Now, every time you work, you move faster automatically. I have prompts saved for YouTube hooks, storytelling, viral titles, short form scripts, thumbnail psychology, business ideas. So instead of starting from zero every day, I start at level 20. That's the compounding effect nobody talks about. AI rewards organized people more than smart people. Read that again. The advanced move? Create a second brain folder. Whenever AI gives you an amazing output, save it. Great prompts, good frameworks, powerful structures. Over time, you build a private advantage that gets stronger every month. And honestly, the final hack is probably the most important one of all. Most people wait too long. That's the pattern throughout history. People laughed at YouTube. Then creators became millionaires. People ignored online businesses. Then e-commerce exploded. Now people are underestimating AI because they think it's just a trend. It's not. This is a platform shift. And platform shifts create new winners. The biggest opportunities always look weird early. That's why almost nobody takes them seriously. Right now, there are teenagers using AI to build businesses faster than college graduates with degrees. Not because they're smarter, because they adapted faster. That's the game now. Speed of adaptation. I've seen people use AI to start faceless channels, learn copywriting, build agencies, create products, automate client work, study faster, learn coding, generate leads. And the scary part, we're still early. That's why learning this now puts you ahead of 99% of people. Not forever, but long enough to completely change your trajectory. Here's the mindset shift you need. Stop asking, will AI replace people? Start asking, what happens if I become the person who knows how to use it better than everyone around me? Because this technology isn't going away. And honestly, that's a good thing. The people who win over the next few years won't necessarily be the smartest people in the room. They'll be the fastest learners, the fastest adapters, the people willing to experiment while everyone else hesitates. So here's what I want you to do today. Open your favorite AI tool. Pick one repetitive task in your life, just one, and figure out how to make it 10% easier. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it, because small leverage compounds into massive advantages over time. And before you realize it, you're operating differently than almost everyone around you. Ahead of 99% of people, everything I mentioned is in the description below. It's free. And after you're done, check out the next video. That one goes even deeper into how people are quietly building income streams with AI right now.